In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an AI agent that can automatically analyze Jira bug reports in just a few minutes. Now, Jira is a powerful tool used by many teams around the world for tracking bugs and collaborating on software development. By setting up an AI agent, you can streamline your workflow, allowing for more efficient bug management and quicker decision-making, all right here in Jira. First things first, let's head over to the collaboration software platform, widely known for its effectiveness among software, IT, and business teams. Once you're there, you're going to find the Sign In option. Click on it to enter your credentials and log into your account. This step is crucial to gaining access to all the features you'll need to set up your agent. Once signed in, navigate to the Jira home. This is the main hub where you'll find all your projects and ongoing tasks. From here, we need to dive into the settings. On the top right corner, you'll see the Settings button. Go ahead and click on it. Accessing the Settings menu gives us the control required to configure what we need. In the settings, you'll see a System option. Clicking on System will bring you to another menu. Don't worry, we're getting closer to our target. Look for the Advanced settings here. Clicking on Advanced will reveal more configuration options. These are usually where the more intricate parts of Jira are handled. Now, within these advanced settings, you should see an option labeled Webhooks. Webhooks are essential because they let Jira send data to other applications, which is exactly how we'll link our AI agent. So, click on Webhooks and it will take you to the Webhook configuration page. On this page, you're looking for a button that says Create a Webhook. Click on it and a form will pop up. This is your chance to define what data gets sent out from Jira and when it gets triggered. Fill in the details carefully, specifying which bug report events should activate the webhook. And there you have it. You've set up a webhook that will communicate with your AI agent whenever a specified event occurs in Jira. With this configuration, your AI agent can now automatically analyze bug reports as they come in, saving you time and enhancing your team's productivity. By integrating AI to handle repetitive tasks, you can focus on more strategic elements of project management. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Implementing this AI integration will surely streamline your bug tracking and analysis workflow, making it both more effective and less time-consuming. Don't forget to check your webhook configurations regularly to ensure everything stays connected as expected. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.